Welcome to 2380 Manor Creek Court, over 8,400 square foot. Wait till you see the backyard. Multi-generation living. Soon as you come in the house, the dining room is on your right side, and then you got a study on your left. This is a dining room, beautiful chandelier, high ceilings with detail. So you got a trimming that goes up 5 feet. You have a crown molding that's really nice and designed. We'll go into the office. This is really nice built-in office area. Got a TV here for your Zoom calls. You got your plantation shutters. You have a high ceiling, nice with wood exposed ceilings, and the hardwood floors throughout the home. Usually you don't have to turn on the lights because this home is all smart home, and you just say Alexa and you get your lights on and off. Let me show you. Alexa, turn off Manor Creek. There you go, all the lights are off. Alexa, turn on Manor Creek. There we go, we got it on. All the lights are on, so you got your closet here. This is the upstairs. This is your basement. You have a master on main right here, and this is your family room. I'll take you to the family room. We got built-in here with fireplace, Coffered ceilings, and we have a door here that you can get to your patio. And you have a beautiful view to your swimming pool and your backyard. You got your screen porch so the bugs won't come in. So I'll take you to the kitchen now. We have a big island on a kitchen with one single sink that is stainless steel. All the appliances are stainless steel with double oven. You got your stove here, updated, really nice stove with open floor plan with granite. We got a keeping room off the kitchen that have a fireplace. And nice vaulted ceiling with wood finish on ceiling. Very nice stone fireplace. Then I'll take you to the back breakfast area. Nice view to the pool and the patio. You got an entrance to the garage right here. You got another entrance to the patio. This is your second patio, which is open. It's not covered, so you can enjoy, grill. Look at the view here. And you have a stairs here that you can go down. Now I will take you to the master bedroom. This is your mudroom, and off mudroom you have your laundry room right here with sink, built-in cabinets. Then you have your entrance to the other garage. So this is 2-car garages and total of 4-car garages. So the other entrance had 2 of the kitchen and then this one of the mudroom. This is an extra area you can prep and for your guest for the dining area, and this is the entrance of the dining area. We are again at the front entrance. Now I will take you to the master bedroom. So this is our master with high ceiling, detailed ceilings with crown molding. Lot of lights in the room, lot of lights. This is the bathroom with his and her sink. You have a custom built closet. Look at a huge shower, really nice built-in shower. Look at this, very nice. You can sit while taking a shower. It's plenty, 2 people can take a shower at once. It's a beautiful shower. Take you upstairs now. This one is as your media room, kids room. You can use as artwork or anything. This people used as an art room. So they had an art on this wall and this is what they use. It's a good bonus room, whatever your family needs to use for. Take you to the second bedroom here. So we got a huge bedroom with a bath, full bath with granite. It's a huge bedroom with walk-in closet and a full bath. So you got your second bedroom here with a full bath and a closet, walk-in closet. It's right in the bathroom, the walk-in closet. Take you to the third bedroom. So this is your another bedroom with full bath and walk-in closet. This one has a huge walk-in closet. And then there's a view to the pool right from this window. A beautiful view, and your desk working while looking at your pool. Let me take you to the fourth bedroom. So this is the fourth bedroom. You got a big closet and a full bath. So we got 4 bedroom upstairs with full bath and a big bonus area. And this is your closet. You can hook up your washer and dryer if you need a second set of washer and dryer in the house. You have a washer and dryer on main level also. Now we'll go to the basement. So here you have your bedroom with walk-in closet and a full bath. It's a huge bedroom. Definitely multi-family can live in this home. We have an unfinished area where you can have your storage or your work area, workspace, however. This could be a third laundry room right here. So in this house, you can have a 3 laundry room. This is another HVAC and all that. This is your storage. Here is your storage also. It's plenty of storage area. This is your family room or use as an however you like. We got a gathering big room here and with a kitchen, full kitchen right here. The cabinets are really nice. You have it with your granite, flat cooktop, electric. You have your microwave, dishwasher. We have a bedroom here, or you can convert into the media room however you like. There's a full closet in here. You got your entrance to the back, to the pool. So you got 2 entrances to the pool. Full kitchen, full bath. And you got your gym over here and sauna. So you got all the workout you can get done, and then you can go in sauna. It's a beautiful big gym, really nice. Now I'll take you to the pool. Look at this covered porch with grill, sink. You got your refrigerator down here and a big huge fan. So even in this nice hot weather, you won't feel hot. This is dry below draft, so really nice. Let me take you to the pool. Look at the pool. Look at the sitting out here. You got your hot tub. This is your swim spot. You got your sliding over there. I need my glasses. Look at this beautiful pool. Such a nice pool. This is the heart of the house. And look at the flat backyard. Very nice, very maintained. You got your other covered porch right here with the fan. You got your stairs to the sliding. I should slide in there. Look at this nice slide that you can just go in. The pool is so beautiful. Very nice. They have done a wonderful job with this pool. It's really nice. And you got your stairs here to the outside front of the house. So if you have a party, pool party, guests can just come from outside to here. It's a really nice home. If you got the value from this video, we help you buy smarter, sell for more, see all the home in Georgia market. Click the link below to schedule your tour.